Hey, it's Maddie Green, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the Oura Ring 5 versus the Oura Ring 4. We're going to go over price difference, color difference, and how it feels on the finger, and of course, sizing. We'll even dive into if the plastic sizing kit matches the ring. And is it worth it? Let's go. I've been wearing the Oura Ring 4 every single day for almost a year now, and here's my honest review and opinion, size and color comparison, and experience with Oura Ring. First of all, let's talk about the elephant in the room here. The size. The Oura Ring 5 got delivered today. I pre-ordered it in today's drop day. I'm so excited. I just unboxed it and put it on, and the size difference is crazy. My Oura Ring 4 now feels ridiculous. I can't even put it on. I got the same size in the Oura Ring 5 as my Oura Ring 4. I'm a size 7, and wow, it fits phenomenally. Perfect amount of space so I don't feel anxious with it being too tight and it's not too loose. Comes off with a little swivel. I was really curious. I ordered the new sizing kit, and let's see if the plastic matches the ring. If you order the Oura Ring sizing kit, you get all the sizes in plastic. By the way, this is not sponsored. I bought this all with my own money. I originally bought the Oura Ring a year ago because I really wanted it for cycle tracking, birth control, and I have health anxiety, and I just really wanted to be more in tune with my body, learning about temperature, learning about HRV. I'm a runner. I run marathons. And I feel like the sleep data on a Garmin just isn't comparable to something that is this close to your finger. And I have loved all my results. I adore it. 10 out of 10. I love using it for yoga, dancing. It even, what else does it do? I love the readiness score, sleep score, cycle. It's even blood pressure tracking. Takes pulses of heart waves and says how your heart's age is compared to yours. So mine says 3 years younger. Anyways, back to the plastic. So when I first got this kit, I was concerned that I was going to have to buy a size 8 because the 7 is pretty tight. The plastic is definitely tighter than the ring that came in. I was even considering purchasing an 8 based on the plastic size kit, which is one size higher than my Oura Ring 4. Because the 8 on the plastic feels really good. So if you're happy with your Oura Ring 4 size, I would honestly stick with that size for the Oura Ring 5. Unless your ring happens to be pretty tight on your Oura Ring 4, you could probably size up for the 5 because I do feel like this is slightly snugger than my 4. So sizing kit, the plastic is slightly tighter than the real ring. I am in shock at the difference. This is heavy, the Oura Ring 4. They mean it when they said it was 40% smaller. I will never go back to this Oura Ring 4. The 5 feels so seamless. I don't even feel it. It's not going to fall off. I've been swimming with this. I've ran 2 marathons with this on, and I love her. So I'm so glad she got an upgrade. Let's talk about the color difference. The silver is very comparable. I'm excited. I heard the Oura Ring 5 scratches less. The charger is slightly different, which is very interesting. Guess which color is which? The dark one is Oura Ring 4, which is interesting. It kind of feels a little more like dirty, dusky, which is very comparable to the color. It's slightly darker than the 5. This is clean, crisp. It's kind of giving like apple, especially when I open the box. I have an unboxing video on my channel too you can check out. It's giving apple. You take off the little sides. You open it up. It has the piece of paper with the info in it, and the charger is below it, and the charger comes, of course, without a block. So you got to find a block, which is so funny. It's giving apple. I synced it up to my app as well. It said it would take 10 minutes, but it was synced on my app within 30 seconds. When you set it up in the app, all you have to do is set it on the charger, make sure the Bluetooth is on your phone, open up the app. You click the right top corner, which says like ring, and you say set up new ring, and then your new ring is set up. I removed this ring from my account because I'm honestly going to sell it on like a Facebook Marketplace. It's pretty scratched up, but it's only less than a year old and works great. No issues. So I removed it from my account. That way the new person, I won't get their stuff. Here's the box. Size difference between the 4 and the 5. The 4 is on the left and the 5 is on the right. So even the box is slimmer and tinier. Let's talk about price difference. The Oura Ring 4 was $50 less than the 5, and the gold is still extra. That's why I got silver, even though I'm a gold girly. I'll save my $50. But if you're an Oura Ring user already, you can go in the app and there's a refer friends and family discount. So you can use your own link for that. I did that. So it takes 10% off. So it comes to the same price as the 4. I do think it's worth it. You can pay monthly for the subscription. I just pay it annually, set it and forget it. And it links to my natural cycles, which is the main reason that I use the ring. Been off of birth control for 5 years now, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I love it. It's great for running marathons, great for sleep tracking, and I'm very happy with the new size. Let me know if you have any questions about Oura Ring or running tech, Garmin, all the good stuff. I'm here to answer that for you. But